Assalamu alaikum. Today, I'm honored to speak about Eid-e-Ghadeer, a very special and blessed occasion. Eid-e-Ghadeer commemorates the historic event of Ghadeer Khum, where Prophet Muhammad, after returning from his final pilgrimage, gathered thousands of Muslims and delivered an important message. On this day, the Prophet raised the hand of Imam Ali before the people and declared, "For whoever I am his Maula, Ali is his Maula." This event holds great significance and is remembered every year with love, respect, and joy. Eid-e-Ghadeer is not only a celebration, but also a reminder of great values. It teaches us to follow the path of truth, justice, honesty, and kindness. Imam Ali is remembered for his wisdom, bravery, generosity, and dedication towards Islam. His life serves as an example for all of us. On this blessed day, families and friends gather together, exchange greetings, offer prayers, and help those in need. It is a day of gratitude to Allah and a day to strengthen our faith and unity. Thank you.